Good evening, children. I am Debarati Das. I am back again. Now, today I will discuss the second part of the MySQL chapter, MySQL database system that already I have started the first part. I will give in my description box, I will give the link of that first video. So in that video, you can get to know the starting part of this MySQL portion that I have discussed. A small portion is left from that chapter, that is which is there included in the board syllabus, class 12 for IP and CS both. So today we will discuss a very interesting part, that is the group by clause. Already I told you last time also, because time was not there, for that reason I could not able to finish it up. Group by clause combines all those records that have identical values in a particular field. So in a particular field in a table, if there are same data is present in three times, so we can do what? We can group by, we can use the group by clause to group it, and we can represent it one time. Okay, I will show you each and everything practically. So let me first open my MySQL. Okay, so I will I will use one database first. I will use this world. Okay. I will use the table which is already it is there only. Okay. I will use this marks table. Okay. So what I will write is to check it out. What are the data present in that particular table? In this table, we are having role, name, student name, two subjects marks, total marks, and address, right? So what we will do is I will show you how the group by clause. See, in the name attribute, in the name column, Aditya name is present three times. Okay, so we can apply the group by clause here to show Aditya one time. Now check it out. What we will write is select. I want to show role. Okay, name, and then this subject marks. Okay, total from, give the table name. Okay, now you just write group by and just give column. Now by which column you want to use the group by clause. So that column name you have to give. Okay, so see here, Aditya is showing only one time. Okay, so Aditya will not come three times. Okay, so this is group by clause. So group by clause helps us to group the data. If the data is repeating three times, we can group it by using the group by clause. Now, another most important and very interesting part is their nested group. Nested group is also there. Okay, so I will show you how to use this nested group. Now, observe here in the address column, Lucknow is present three times. So we can group it. Okay, we can group this address column, same as what we will write group by. If I write group by name, one more thing I have to show is I want to show the address also. Okay, all right. So role name, address, and then the English and science marks, TOT, and from the marks group by, and then I want to group it by name as well as by address. All right, now can you able to see Aditya is present this one time. This Aditya is from Noida, and this Hana is present one time. See, address has been grouped as because Lucknow is showing two times. Why? Because the names are different. Observe here, names are different. For that reason, Ahana is also from Lucknow. For that reason, Ahana is showing. All right, so in this way, by using group by clause, we can apply the group by clause in more than one attribute. All right. Now, next, very, very important and most interesting part of your syllabus, from the syllabus, is having clause. Now, the having clause, we can add the having clause when we want to give some condition on the aggregate function. Now, in this case, we cannot use the where. We cannot use the where clause. We have to use having clause when we are using the aggregate function, right? So, suppose here I want to show that select, I want to show the roll number of the student, name, I don't want to show the address, okay? I don't want to show the address, English and science marks, total, from marks, group by, I want to group only by address, okay? And then you have to give the having clause, okay? Now what you will write, having, now you have to give the condition. Now my condition is where I want to check that total, where the total is, I am grouping by name. Right. So Aditya will not come two, three times. So I want to check that where total is, suppose for an example, greater than 400. All right. Now, can you able to see that Aditya, where the value, total value is greater than 400, only that particular Aditya is showing. Check it out. You can check the actual data so that you can able to differentiate between this having clause, what the output has come after having clause, and what is the actual data. In case of actual data, Aditya total marks is 500, this Aditya total marks is 400, and this Aditya total marks is 350. Condition I have given that where the total is greater than 400. So this greater than 400, for that reason, only this Aditya has, the output has come. All right. And Ahana is already, Ahana will come, as because I have said that I have used the group by clause, and I am showing the roll number, name, and the subject marks. All right. So having clause we can use when we want to give any condition, and obviously the having clause will be applicable on the aggregate function. All right. Now, next most important part, that is the joining between two particular table. Very important, children. Very important how to join between two tables. This is very important, and basically the joining you have to use this joining while during your practical exam, and during the theoretical exam you have to write the query, what kind of query it is, you have to write that. But before starting the query, you have to first establish the link between the master table and the child table, right? So two tables you have to join. So already you can see that in this table, I will show you the structure of this marks table. The structure in this marks table, we can see that roll number, this attribute, it is primary key, right? So this is the master table. Now I will create another table. I will create a very short table, and I will join that particular table with this master table. All right. So what I will write is create table. I will create a teacher table. Okay. Then I will write teacher ID and integer, and it is a primary key. All right. And then I will take this roll number attribute from the marks table. So write here roll. All right. And then I will write here, I want to show the teacher name. Okay, mention the data type. Here I am mentioning 10, size 10 characters. 10 means 10 characters it can hold. All right. And what else I want to show? And I want to show the total. All right. Well, when I will join this two table, I can access. So in this table, I just structure is the teacher ID, that is the primary key, role, all right, teacher name. Okay, let's see. Um, let's check it out. Let me see. Um, okay, here I have not mentioned the data type, teacher name. Okay. Okay, teacher is already there. Okay, 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 okay. Teacher table is already there. Okay, let's see. For that reason, in this error is coming. So last video also I told you, children, you have to know why the error is coming and what is the problem. You have to first identify the problem. So let's see. Teacher table, it is showing it is already there. Let's see. Yeah, teacher table is already there. Okay, now let's check the structure of this table. In the teacher table, teacher ID is the primary key, and there is a column called role, and name and teacher name is already there. Okay, fine, no problem. Then what we will do is we will join this teacher table with the marks table. Okay, for joining, first you have to assign the foreign key. So you have to assign the foreign key in the teacher table. Okay, and in the master table, my primary key is role, and here role is also present. So with the help of this common attribute, we will join the two table. Okay, so what we will write is alter table. I want to alter teacher because I want to assign the foreign key in the teacher table. Okay, so what we will write is alter table, table name, add, okay, foreign key, right? Now syntax you have to understand very clearly. What you will have to write is which table you want to add the foreign key. So you will write alter table, table name. I want to change the table teacher. Then you have to write add foreign key. Now which column you want to add as a foreign key, that you have to write. I want to add this role in the teacher table, role attribute. I want to add it as a foreign key. Now this role I want to refer to which table that you have to write. You have to write references. Now references which table? So I am referencing my master table is marks. In the marks table, what is the primary key that you have to write? So the primary key is role. All right, so this type of command you have to give in the MySQL. Alter table, table name, add foreign key, bracket, give the column, which attribute you want to assign as a foreign key, references, give the master table name, bracket, give the primary key in the master table name. All right. Now it has accepted. Now you can write the SQL statement. Now, my two table has been joined by using the common attribute, that is role. All right. Now, what I will write is select from the marks table. I want to display select role. Okay. And then I want to display, see, the name attribute is present in the marks table. The name attribute is present in the teacher table also. So when the one particular attribute, when the name is same, then you have to mention the table name, which table that particular attribute you want to access. Be like this way. What I will write is uh, I want to show the student name. So marks dot name, right? Like this way, you have to write table name dot column name, right? Like this way, and then you have to. I want to show the uh, English marks, and I want to show the science marks. I want to show the total, okay, and I want to show the teacher name. All right, check it out. In the marks table, this English mark, science, and total, and this name is belongs to marks table. So for that reason, I have written here what I have written. Select roll marks dot name, comma English, science, total, teacher name from marks, comma teacher. Okay, so these two tables. Now give the condition where marks dot marks dot roll, that is the primary key, equals to teacher dot roll. All right. Um, the first list. Okay. Uh, okay. So here also I have see ambiguous means by in a hurry I have mentioned the role in the teacher table also. So here you have to give the table name. So my table name is marks. So from the marks table I want to access the role attribute. Okay. So table name dot marks. All right. Now see here. So table name dot role, that is the student roll number, table name dot name, that is the student name, then English, science, total, and the teacher name. These two teacher names are there. All right. Is that clear? Now, in this case, as because this in the teacher table, observe here in that why these two rows, two tuples are coming. That also you have to understand why these two tuples are coming. Why not all the tuples are coming from the student? That means the marks table. Why? As because in the teacher table, see the data only roll number 1 and 2 are there. Now, what condition I have given? That so from the marks table roll is equals to teachers table roll. When these two records are same, only those records will be shown. If my teacher table more records are there, then more data will be coming. All right, is it clear? Children, is it clear how to access, how to give the MySQL statement, how to give the condition, how to access if the same name attribute is present in both the table, you have to give the table name dot column name. All right. Almost I have done the joining I have shown. I think children it is clear. Children, if there is any doubt you can comment me, and you can comment me also the any specific tutorial that you want, so that will be my next video, and within one or 2 days I will make that video, children. Okay, all the best, good night and have a nice day.